Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make a subfolder under the sheets here to organize your drawing to make it look better and organized. So before we get started, we have to understand that the subfolder is also a parameter associated to the sheets. If you are not familiar with how to make a parameter and how does parameter work, it doesn't matter. It's not that intimidating. So all you need to do is go to the Manager tab. This is like a default Revit file. I didn't add anything. So you go to Manage tab. You go to the project parameters because the parameters that we're going to add is the project parameters. Click this one and get add, and we want to call this one as a sub folder, and it's gonna be an instant parameter. It doesn't matter if you don't know the differences between instant parameter and a type parameter. I'm gonna make another video talking about those two. So here we want to make sure this one is under the sheets category. So you go to here and you find sheets because that's a sheet parameter. That's makes sense, right? So discipline common. So what we have here, bunch of them, we choose common. It's gonna be the tags and hit OK and hit OK. Right now we have got this parameter. So we want to implement that parameter to the sheets. So here you go to View, go to Interface, Browser Organization, go to Sheets, go to New, and we want to organize this sheets by the new rule, which is like say folder here, or in here you can actually name this one as your company's name can be shown here. You will see that you will see what I mean here. So go to grouping and sorting, grouped by the new parameter that we just created, folder. Click this one, hit OK, and we want to make sure we check the new rule and hit OK. Now you see the differences here, and let's make a new sheet. That's just a plain sheet here, and here you see a new parameter which is called folder. Let's say for the structure engineer, they always want to start with a drawing with S0, like general notes. Let's call this as S0. We call it S0. Hit OK. You see you have a new folder S0, and you click this one and you can see this one is under the S0. And let's say make a new one. It can be S1. They're gonna be an S1. That's how you do it.